want to graph another absolute value function. And remember, as long as you have the entire function in absolute value, well, then the easiest way to graph that is to graph it without the absolute value and then flip the negative part over the y-axis. That's what absolute value to a whole function does. It just takes the negative parts, flips them over the y-axis. So I'm just going to graph x squared minus x minus 6, which is really, let's factor this, there's x minus 3x plus 2. So the zeros are 3 and negative 2. So I know it has to go through here, and it has to go through here. I also know that the y-intercept is negative 6, because if you plug 0 in, or to this, here we're graphing this part, if you plug 0 into this, you get negative 6, so that's here. And I know the vertex is going to be at negative b over 2a, which is negative 1 over 2. Right, remember, the vertex of a parabola, the x value is negative b over 2a. So negative b is 1 over 2a. Well, a is 1, so 1/2. So the vertex is at 1/2. The x value is 1/2. And to find the y value, you just plug 1/2 into this function. That's going to give you 1/4 minus 1/2 minus 6. And that's going to be negative 6 1/4. So at negative 6.25, at negative 1/2, so that's like right here. So our parabola, just without the absolute value, I'm graphing this, let's call him y. I'm graphing just y now. Would look like this. It would go to the best of my ability, something like this, and then it would go up like this, and there you go. Okay? What the absolute value is going to do is take the part that's negative, and that is this part down here, the part that's below the y-axis, and it's going to flip it over the below the x-axis. It's going to flip it over the x-axis. So instead of looking like it does, the positive parts are going to be the same. So this part's still going to be the same here. I'm just drawing it very sloppily. This is right there. And then this negative part gets flipped up. So instead of being negative 6, it's going to go to positive 6. And all these negative values become positive values. Oh my God. My dog just opened the door to the room all by herself. It is crazy. So, hello, Maddie. How you doing, girl? Yeah, she's hiding under the desk. What a weirdo. Okay. And then we're going to get the positive side right here. So the red part is g of x. I'd flip this part over. So let's get rid of all this junk. There we go. This is what that graph looks like. So that's really sloppy. Let me redo that. That looks awful. And this is just going to come up like this, like a parabola. Okay? Just flip the negative part over. And this is red as well. Get out of here, blue.